In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook to Epic Games step by step. This is a quick and easy process if you want to link your Facebook account to your Epic Games profile for smoother sign-in options and better account integration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your desktop or mobile web browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you are on the real Epic Games page so you can safely manage your account settings without any issues. Once the site loads, sign in to your Epic Games account if you are not already logged in. Use the email and password associated with the account you want to connect. After you are signed in, you should land on your account dashboard. Now look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Epic Games keeps the main account settings and connection options. From that left side menu, click on Linked Accounts. This section allows you to connect different platforms and services to your Epic Games account. On the Linked Accounts page, look for Facebook in the list of available options. When you find it, select Facebook and then click Continue. Epic Games will now start the linking process and may redirect you to Facebook or show a permission screen. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If prompted, log into your Facebook account and confirm that you want to connect it to Epic Games. Review any permissions shown on the screen and approve them if everything looks correct. Once you complete the steps, Facebook should be successfully linked to your Epic Games account. After that, you can return to your account dashboard and double-check that Facebook appears as a connected account. And that's it. You've now connected Facebook to Epic Games. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial.